Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this step-by-step tutorial, we're going to teach you how you can add checkboxes to your documents in Microsoft Word really quickly. It is super simple, guys. So all you need to do is head over to Microsoft Word, open a new document, and for this method, you will need to gain access to Word's developer mode. If it's not enabled for you guys here at the top, for instance, you will need to turn it on. To do that, click on File here in the top left corner, choose Options from the bottom of that menu here to the left, and here inside your Word options, head over to the Customize ribbon feature here to the left, and here to the right, you will see the list of main tabs. So among these, you will see the developer mode. So simply check it or select it here and confirm by clicking on OK. And that is going to add the developer mode to your list of tools here at the top. So what you want to do, guys, is click on that check mark icon here with that box, checkbox content control. So click on it to add it to your document, basically where you want it to be and where you left click with your mouse, just like that. So what you want to do after that is tick or untick the given checkbox by simply left clicking on it. Now in this case, you will see an X instead of a check mark. So if you'd like to customize your symbol, simply follow my steps. What you want to do, guys, is click on properties here at the top in the control section and click on checked symbol here to the right and on change. And after that, simply look for the check mark icon here in the list and confirm that by clicking on OK here. That is going to replace the X with the check mark. And now you can use these check marks to tick or to untick your checkboxes in your Word document. And that's all to it, guys. Super simple, as you can see. Hope you enjoyed the video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.